Stem cells are one of the only treatment sources to the most common and dangerous diseases and disorders now, and as a result they must be used. However, their use should be regulated in their respected sources. This regulation will hinder the progress of the medical breakthroughs. However, ethical barriers must be put in place, as stem cells are a very sensitive and delicate thing.
What is your position on the use of embryonic stem cells from existing cell lines?
Embryonic stem cells from existing cell lines should continue to be unregulated, as this has the most consequential result for researchers and scientists. Embryonic stem cell lines are potentially capable of avoiding the rejection complications of stem cell therapies for cancer, diabetes, spinal cord injury, kidney disease, and Parkinson's disease. By using genetic material of transplant recipients to generate unique stem cells, society could finally solve the persistent problem of a lack of suitable organs. This will save many lives and improve the quality of life of thousands. Obviously, the pros outweigh the cons.
What is your position on the use of embryonic stem cells from discarded embryos from IVE clinics?
Upon consent of the donor, discarded embryos from IVE clinics should be available to stem cell research. These stem cells would have been biological waste, and making use of them will be very economically feasible. It will have no effect to anybody and is benign, since those embryos now have a purpose.
What is your position on use of embryonic stem cells from embryos created by IVE for research?
I am against the use of stem cells from embryos created by in vitro fertilization for research, mainly because this is a very intruding procedure. As a Muslim and a moralist, the cons of this procedure really outweigh the pros. Creating embryos by in vitro fertilization for research is no different than abortion or infanticide. It is a destructive process, and I reject this practice as it devalues and violates human life.
What is your position on use of embryonic stem cells created by therapeutic cloning?
My stance towards use of embryonic stem cells created by therapeutic cloning has remained the same, but I strongly prohibit human reproductive cloning because it took scientists more than 250 attempts to create Dolly. It would be very unethical to practice those odds to humans.